So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to offer gift wrapping on Etsy. So guys, for that, first of all you will have to open any web browser on your computer and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to log into your account and then you guys can able to see this option right here called Shop Manager. Now click on this and then you guys will get transferred on this page. Now you have to choose this option right here called Settings, and then you guys will have to select on this option right here called Options. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys will have to scroll down just a little bit and then you guys can see this section right here called Offer Gift Wrappings. Now you just have to click on this option right here called Enable and Set Price. So after choosing that, you guys can set your price for your order for doing the gift wrapping, and you guys can also type your details around here. And after doing this all, you guys will have to scroll down to the last and then click on the Save button. So guys, after that, you guys can now offer gift wrapping to your customers, and the customers can see that you offer gift wrapping to them and the price and your descriptions about gift wrapping. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.